Hi, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to learn about operations in C. The first operation in C is arithmetic operations. In C we have 5 types of arithmetic operations. First one is addition, and second one is subtraction, and third one is division, and fourth one is multiplication, and fifth one is modulus. Here what we are going to use is we are going to use the symbols for one operation. That is, here for addition we are going to use plus as an operation, and we are going to use operands. Here A and B are called as operands. By using operands only we can perform the operation, and what we are doing is we are just performing this operation and assigning this value to some variable C. Let us start this program. I am just including header file. You already know it, that is stdio.h header file. It is used to read standard inputs and outputs from the output screen. That's it. Next I am declaring the main function, and I am going to use the 3 variables. I am declaring those variables as integer data types. So I am declaring the int a, b, c as a 3 variables. Next step I am going to do is to take the input values in order to perform the arithmetic operations. That is, I am going to read the 2 integer values, that is a and b. Here we can use any kind of data types, that is we can use float or we can use double, we can use any type of data type. Here, in order to simplify our program, I am going to declare it as an integer variables. Next step is I am using scanf function. It is the function used to read the data from the screen, that is scanf. Here I am going to use %d in order to read the integer values. For float values it will be the %f. For character it is the %c. For double it is the %lf. Here I am going to read 2 values, that is a and b, and I am storing it in a address of a and address of b. Next step is I am going to perform the arithmetic operations. First one is addition operation. In addition operation what we will do is we just add the 2 operands, that is input values, and we are storing that values in a variable C in order to display the result to the user. What I am doing is here I am using the plus symbol for addition. That's it. Next step is I am going to use the printf that statement. Here using backspace n in order to get the output in the next line. I am using the %d to display the result of this addition operation. Next one is subtraction. Subtraction means what we are doing is subtraction. We are going to use minus for subtraction. So I am doing a minus b, and I am storing the result in %d. Next step is I am just displaying the value. Next is division. In division we are dividing the one number by another number. I am using the slash to perform the division, and again I am storing those valuable in the C. Every time I am storing the result in C variable only, it will be read at the result value, and I am going to display those result. Next one is multiplication. Multiplication we are going to use star symbol in order to perform the multiplication. Next what I am going just displaying the multiplication result. Next one is modulus. Here modulus operator is return the remainder of a division. Here I am using the % symbol to perform the modulus operation. Next step is I am going to display the result. Let us check how it will run the program. I am just running this program. What it is displaying, enter the values of a and b to perform the arithmetic operation. Here I am giving the 20 and 2. Let us see what will be the result. I am getting result as addition. We are getting 20 plus 2 equal to 22, and for subtraction what I am getting is 20 minus 2 is answer is 18, and for division what we will get 20 by 2 means we are getting 10, and what we will get here remainder is 0. The 0 will become modulus operation, so we are getting modulus operation 0. And what is I am doing multiplication. Multiplication means we are 20 into 2 we are getting 40. This is the accurate result of this program. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, please comment below and subscribe to this channel.